Day 1 of making one cast every day until I catch a fish. Today I'm going to be using this purple bass stopper. Comment down below what I should use in the next video tomorrow. That sucked as a cast, that's not going to count. You can get a good cast actually. Yeah, I'll count that as a cast today. Get a fish. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's there. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one.